Welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. I have a package today, you guys. I have opened it. This package comes from tuft-love.com. It is my new craft, tufting. For those who don't know, tufting is a form of rug making. And you guys can follow me on my tufting journey. So I have ordered the starter kit from tuft-love.com. I will post a link down here. So let's go ahead and open it. The starter kit comes with the Tufting Gun, clamps, a starter frame, a threader, the gun of course, and it currently doesn't come with any monk cloth. That is the tufting cloth. But I spoke to someone from tuftinglove.com and they will be offering it in their starter kit soon. There's just a shortage with the manufacturer. So once they get that figured out, they will be offering the tufting cloth inside the starter kit. But until then, you can order it from Amazon, or you can use, oh Lord, why I can't think of the damn name now. But burlap. So here we go. This is the first thing that's in the box. Basically a diaphragm of your tufting gun and some do's and don'ts that you would like to do on your gun. Basically safety tips. Keep your hands out of the way. Don't touch moving parts. Unplug your gun. Da-da-da-da-da. I have a personalized note. It says, Dear Ty, thank you for supporting our mission of employing survivors of gender-based violence. Please keep in touch. Jeff and Zaire. I have spoke with Jeff, you guys, so I would be having a coupon code for you guys. If I don't have one when this video is loaded, I will have one when the next video is loaded of me putting together the frame. Okay, so this is the gun, I'm guessing. We have some packaging stuff. And then we have clamps. These are the clamps to clamp your frame to your table or whatever you will be using. So it comes with 2 of those. Then we have our yarn threader. This is to help you thread your yarn through your tufting gun. I like the little end piece charm. It's actually yarn. That's cute. All right, we have our yarn guide screws for the frame. We have our frame screws. And then we have these little tools for the gun. Comes with an alley wrench and some other things. We have this little tool to put together our frame. Back to opening the gun, you guys. So here it is. Let's get this damn thing open. All right. Voila! Look at this, you guys. I have no scissors over here. Got a kid in there. Open the present. And I was wrapping paper everywhere. You guys, I'm excited. And I hope my frame is there in the mail. If my frame is not there in the mail, I'm going to show you guys how to make a frame from scratch. Because I'm going to make one. I hate getting items and I can't use them right away. That is like, it's like the you know how when kids get money in their pockets and you're like, that money is burning a hole in your pocket. These machines and these new things that I be getting, they be burning holes. And I'll be like, damn, I got orders to do. But I got this new machine and that's all I want to do is play with the machine. I don't even be wanting to do these people orders. Because all I want to do is play like a big kid. That's all I be wanting to do is play like a big kid. So this is a machine, you guys, and of course, you know, you have to keep it oiled so it can function properly. You can use sewing machine oil. I should have some type of sewing machine oil somewhere here because I have a sewing machine and an embroidery machine. I just gotta find it because I know I didn't unpack it. Let's see. Where's our little, so we can know the parts of this gun, all right? So this is the foot right here. This is where you adjust the height of your yarn. So I will show you guys once I start tufting what I mean by just adjusting the height. This is your swivel. So this is how you guide your little thing, okay? Well, your gun. This is the pow height adjustment bolt. This is the foot height adjustment. This is the speed dial. So this is where you could change it to have it tuft faster or slower, of course. This is your motor and this is your trigger. All right, let me stop. So when you thread this bad boy, you guys, you see this little needle, this little threader or hole. You're going to put your yarn through here. And then what you got to do is get your yarn through this hole here. So we take our threader. Hold on, y'all. Let me show y'all. Let me find my threader. It's somewhere. You take this little pretty little gadget they done made. And you're going to stick it in here like this. And in here like this. See that? There's a little hole right there. But you can stretch, I mean, you can open up the threader. Let me show you. So, the threader is basically just 2 wires. And just, see? So your yarn can fit. Let me get a yarn. Let me get a yarn to show y'all. So. Hold on to your love. I'm trying to get the middle of the yarn. Okay, there we go. Remember, we're putting it through here. You can't lick it like your sewing machine, like your sewing thread. All right, open up the little threader. Stick it in like that. You see? You see? Like that. And then just pull it through like that. Sorry, y'all. I am going to put this yarn in my mouth. When you only got 2 heads, you're going to have to use what you got to use. All right. When we first start tufting, we don't want too much like hanging. So, just pull a little bit. And then you get the cutting. Now, this is a cut Tufting Gun. They have a loop pow. This is a cut pow Tufting Gun, and they have a loop pow. The cut pow Tufting Gun has scissors in it, so every time you press this trigger, it cuts the yarn. Doop, 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 doop. The loop pow, every time you push the trigger in, it just loops it. So it's like doop, doop, doop. It doesn't cut. You have to manually cut every time you stop your line. So this is a cut pow, good for beginners, which is me. I am definitely a beginner. So thank you for joining me on my tufting journey. Well, that's all I have to show y'all until I come back to open the box for my frame. I'm ready to motherfucking tuft. So I want to go to Home Depot around the corner and buy some goddamn boards and tuft my ass off. But, you know, I'll be back, you guys.
I said, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop.